all in one methodology, and it's a dynamic methodology. You can change it in any given time online, and this is very, I mean, I looked at this specific slide for maybe 7 or 8 days. Just I want to crack it, because actually my BSc is in applied mathematics, my college. So applied mathematics, you have to crack it, because you have to say the function f of x equals, this when x equals 0, x plus greater than 0, x is less than 0. So I wanted to crack it, but I couldn't. So that means it is generic. Anyhow, let's go back. Okay, back. So now we have the website methodology. Now we have the website satisfaction knowledge. Now, website knowledge production, business, product business process, knowledge validation, website knowledge integration. See, it's data, information, knowledge, intelligence. But I never say intelligence, because it's pure qualitative. It's pure semantics. But the data, information, knowledge are quantitative to qualitative, or syntax to semantics. But the intelligence is pure semantics. It's going to come from recommendations, simulations, But the website, in its initial condition or initial intention, or the first session, or the non-restarted sessions, always we want to talk about knowledge production, validation, or integration. Now you can read it, of course, but this is the main perspective. Now, implementation, purpose, plan, approach, strategy, approach. So, implementation, purpose. There is a plan approach and there is a strategy approach. Meaning, the implementation purpose approach has syntax and semantics, has quantitative or qualitative, has lifetime, life cycle. Then we can simulate or compare through simulation the satisfaction, success of the plan approach or the strategy approach. So the plan approach is like syntax, semantics, lifetime, life cycle. Strategy approach is like syntax and semantics, life cycle, and lifetime. But then both of them together will give you the semantics of the implementation purpose. So it's like quantitative satisfaction or qualitative satisfaction. I don't want to say who is who now, because we're just talking about it first, but you have to look at it from the, I want you to look at it from the wide perspective of the methodology or theory. Okay, it's website implementation purpose. Okay, if the website implementation is going to encapsulate all sorts of science or scientific perspectives, it has to maintain all kinds of data, information, syntaxes, and semantics, quantitative, qualitative, lifetime, life cycle, everything. So it has to be exploratory research, descriptive research, and explanatory research. So it has to explore the research, describe the research, and to explain the research. Okay, so again, if you are really into this, you can read it. It's really, you'll not find something that we didn't discuss. How to recommend products with high satisfaction performance to a specific user. We have talked again, I could have a product satisfaction built on the user satisfaction and the business satisfaction at the same time through the feedback on the website methodology. Okay, it's really very interesting, but only to really people who want to know specific things. Please ask if there's something. Now, the interesting part for me, which is the website implementation, data collection, terminology, and classification. Now, this part is going to shock you because basically I'm saying here index page terminology and classification. This means that any web page in the www should be built on these terminology and classification. I know that's a bit hard to, but let's see together. So the user satisfaction process classification framework, website methodology, presentation and transformation of an e-marketing satisfaction life cycle or any business department satisfaction life cycles, which and specific here the user satisfaction and feedback and response to indicators of performance is done adopting the knowledge management lifecycle implementation resource technique. So any resources in the life cycle that need management through data information knowledge intelligence will be implemented on these terminology, meaning each and every click on the website should be linked to the PCF. But our PCF contains the user satisfaction, the business satisfaction, the product satisfaction. But now I'm going to just take it from the user satisfaction too. So any website user satisfaction could be an employee in the business, an employee in the e-marketing, or an employee or a user is going to buy or interact on the product satisfaction itself. If the product satisfies the user or not. Okay? I hope this index page. Okay. So again, as in the website methodology, we said this part is the business part, business satisfaction part, or the product business satisfaction part, and this part is the user product satisfaction part. Now, each one of these will be linked to one of the product satisfaction levels. Okay. I'm going to go back 1 second. Back. What else? Yeah, accessibility. Accessibility. Yes. See, this is the user satisfaction, and this is the business satisfaction, and this is the product levels, process levels. So each click should be linked through the process levels, because this is the translation level between the business and the product. So when we come here, no, okay, this part. So here, see this index main marketing. This is in the product satisfaction, but it has a direct link to the PCF, which is linear progression, and it has a link to the user. What's the link to the user? It's the click itself. User satisfaction level T1. The product satisfaction level T1 name is index. It's just named to know this one. Okay. So these are, see, index main marketing. But this is the product satisfaction index categories. Okay, these are the, yeah, so this is PL T2, and this is user satisfaction LT1. Okay, so although this is T2, or it should be, yeah, this one should be T2. So see, once you connect everything, after 15 years, I can see errors in my presentation. Okay, so this is T1, T1. Let's see here, T6. Where is this? This is all LT6. When this is LT5. So yeah, no, it's no error. T2, T7. Okay, so there's no error. Now, when you read the PhD, you're gonna specifically know. But the main thing here is that every presentation of data knowledge, data information knowledge on the website can be related to the product satisfaction levels. Okay, and the manifestation of the response, okay, will be giving as the user satisfaction feedback or response. Because supposedly here you could open the categories and put the weight and score, but I didn't put them in the design because it's left a place. Because this design should encapsulate any innovation in the graphic representation of the data information knowledge. Basically meaning any data information knowledge of the product that can be represented can have a click on it that will give a 1 in the PCF. And the data information knowledge intelligence of the PCF, of course, I can contain it inside the PCF. So at the end, I'm going to have a table of the user satisfaction, business satisfaction, and the whole table is about the product satisfaction, as we're going to see together. Okay, but you know, so this is the main terminology classification of the index page. This one is for the category page. Lovely, huh? I like it. Product page. Features, fulfillments, description, icons of the product. Of course, at that time I wanted a mobile or something. It was, but now I want a car.